Well, good morning. It's another day. Last night after dinner, I didn't even record dinner to be honest, but we had dinner here in the hotel. We went to walk out for a little bit. I didn't bring my camera because it was mainly dark, but now we're here gonna have breakfast. And we get complimentary breakfast. Let's look at some of the stuff they have here. All sorts of pastries. Oh yes. Never go wrong with pan dulce. Good morning, Mom.
Buenos días.
All right. Good morning. What are we having? Let's see here. Rosie.
Taking off all the mushrooms.
Okay. Lily's over here having chilaquiles. Okay. I ended up getting my breakfast. A little bit American, a little Mexican as well too. So we have arrived to this area called Homun, where they have cenotes, and basically it's like openings over the ground or underground that have water places. So basically it's like a hole in the wall, a water hole, I guess you can call it. And here I have Elias. I'm going to translate for Elias. Elias works in this area, so he's going to tell us a little bit of what this place is. Díganos. ¿Qué es lo que vamos a hacer hoy? So what are we going to do? I'll translate for him.
Vamos a conocer dos cenotes.
So we're going to do two of those waterfalls.
Uno que
water
es
holes.
gruta y cenote a la vez.
So one of them has like an underground cave system and also it's a water hole.
De los cuales vamos a conocer formaciones de las estalactitas y estalagmitas.
And it has stalactites inside of one of those places.
Los cuales el segundo cenote es un cenote semiabierto.
One of them is like half open.
Ese depende totalmente de la luz del sol.
It all depends on where the sun is and the light's hitting it at the same
En
time.
dimensión de agua es gigantesco para poder hacer actividades snorkel y poder nadar tranquilamente.
So it's pretty deep, so you can walk, you can swim around comfortably. And so that's what we're going to be doing there. Thank you, Elias. Muchas gracias, Elias. And you guys stay tuned on what we're going to be doing. So I'm gonna jump down there, right there. Everyone's recording. Okay, so they're letting me jump. Normally you have to jump with this, but I'm gonna jump here. I gotta throw my life jacket in there and then jump. Woo! That was awesome. All right, so we are back from the cenotes, and it was amazing. I mean, I was telling them that I had seen it in pictures, I had seen videos. I did not know it was in Mexico. And then when they told us that we were coming this, and I looked it up and I was like, oh man, that's crazy. But if you have never been to Mexico, or if you have been to Mexico, you have to come to the cenotes in Yucatan. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. I mean, there are different kinds, jumping off little platforms they had there, the depths that they had. I mean, it's all beautiful. And even though there was nasty rain and it rose up the water level, it still made it amazing to be in the water. Not too cold, not too hot. Well, at least for me, I mean, you guys might be able to say it's a little colder or not, but it's something that you need to experience if you guys come out here. So now we're hungry after swimming so much water. We're gonna find something to eat, and then we'll head to our next destination, which is Cancun area or Playa del Carmen, which is where we're gonna be for the rest of the week. So, I mean, what an amazing experience being able to be part of this with my family and see the beauty that Mexico has to offer. All right, after some 3 and some change hours, coming down the coast, kind of, we've arrived to the new state of Quintana Roo. So we left Yucatan and now we're in Quintana Roo. We're about, I would say, 30 minutes south of Cancun. We're currently in Playa del Carmen. We're staying at the Cocoa Beach. I'm sorry, the Reef Cocoa Beach here. So we're having the check-in process at the moment, and then probably walk around and see what's open. If we can shop, we'll probably shop. And then tomorrow we'll be going to an adventure park called, I believe it's Escaret. I believe it's that one. Anyways, I'm sore. 3 hours and some change sitting down after swimming a lot in those water holes can get you sore, but you know, that's why we're here. That's why we do things, just for vacation, have a good time, and we'll see what's next. This is the lobby to the hotel. Oh, I'm sorry, the resort we're gonna be staying at. Room key. Oh, there's a gym? All right, room key. We're officially registered in, so now we're headed to finally unpack, because we have not been able to fully unpack for the past day, 2 days, I guess you can say. But oh, here's my room.
Go, go, go.
All right. This is our room. Rosie seems pretty hyped about it. Very nice, very nice.
They have a tower
I got a view to the mini golf. Pool's over there.
Oh, we can go golfing.
It'll be nice.
We want to go golfing.
You want to learn how to go golfing? I mean, I'll teach you mini golf, but I don't know about golf. We have to go to actual course for that. All right, so we're going out into the town just to check out what's going on. But first I gotta say, Laker Nation, we won. I know somebody was gonna be like, whoa, here's a we thing. Anyways, Lakers won since 2010, was our last championship. And now we're champs once again. Once again. Got to the hotel right on time to be able to watch the game and saw LeBron James, Anthony Davis, all of them take the W to be crowned champs. So, Lakers champions. Now to enjoy the rest of the trip, rest of the evening, see what's out there in town. My dad's already celebrating that the Raiders won this today. The Raiders won today too. They won against Kansas City. So, hey, Raiders win, Lakers win. I mean, that's great stuff for me right there. So we're now out in the town, and Lily suggested this place called Quinta Avenida or 5th Avenue, and I'll let her explain as to what this place is, because you've been here before.
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead. What is it?
It's a street full of little shops.
Uh-huh.
People come from, all over the world. A lot of European, a lot of Americans, and you come and shop. They have like a lot of artisanal work that they do, and a lot of beautiful things that I am sure that on your video you're gonna show.
Yes, because definitely if I see something I like,
Many shops.
I'm going to buy. And anything that is craftsman stuff from here that I'm gonna take home, I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. So, let's see what they got going on here and see how bad COVID has affected this. I've never been here, but I know a lot of places probably suffered during COVID, or as of now. I have my mask off right now just to be able to film this, but normally when I'm off camera, I have the mask on, so. Well, we didn't finish walking down the whole street due to the fact that we have to be up super early tomorrow. We're going to Xcaret, which I'll explain what that is a little bit later. Anyways, today was another great day. Beautiful scenery, the water holes and everything. I loved it. I loved it. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Because I know I enjoy filming it. I enjoy being part of it and all the water and everything. Rosie, what'd you think?
It was fun.
It was fun. So yeah, so on to the next day.